Merry Christmas, good evening, and welcome to the seventh edition of TCC Community Meet. If you have seen our previous episodes of the community meets that we had, or if you have been following us on social media, you would know that we have a particular theme for each of our events that we have. But this time, because it's Christmas, we have decided to do away with a theme. No, actually, no, we do have a theme. And the theme is that there's no theme. It's a free for all, and people can do whatever they want. And by whatever they want, I mean, whatever you can do over a Zoom call. So they can sing, dance, narrate, recite, read an excerpt, share anecdotes. It doesn't matter. Because the point of this evening is to have fun and indulge in the Christmas cheer. So I would ask Chitra, my co-host, to say a few words and we can get started. Chitra?
So just let me uh, let me share my window and welcome all of you. So hey everyone, welcome to the KCC Christmas party. Can you guys hear the music?
Yep.
This is our seventh community meet, and we have been through a lot together. We have had great times, and we hope that today, we have new people with us. We have Raja, we have Asaveri, and we have Joydeep. So we're hoping to have a great time with them as well. We're going to get to know them better. Hi, Niraj. We're just recording. So, so let's start. We're going to play some games. We're going to do a few activities together and essentially just have fun.
Chitra, your cheeks on fire.
That's from the candles.
Chitra, you can turn off the music in the background.
Yeah, and just smile.
Right. So, who wants to do something first? We have no theme
Who wants to
this
go
time.
first?
So, who wants to go first? Let me see. Everyone's quiet. It's looking like a classroom.
No,
Nobody's
I'm here.
moving.
I'm here. Just raising my hand high, high, and high. I'm
Okay,
saying hi.
Hitesh wants to go first. So, Hitesh, what are you going to do today?
Let me think. I'm narrating a poem and sing along.
Oh, nice.
Good,
Please
good.
go
Okay.
ahead. Yeah.
Go
First,
ahead.
introduce yourself and then we can
Okay. I'm Hitesh and I'm Hitesh. Just it.
go. Okay.
Yes, you're Hitesh. Everybody knows you, Hitesh.
Oh, really? Okay. I'm Hitesh. I'm a writer and I'm a musician also. And I'm a little bit poet. Okay. So here we go.
Great designer and artist. He's a
Yeah,
musician.
yeah.
It's your greatness, ma'am. Okay. Wait. Let me find my poem. Sorry. Just it here. See my baby.
You have the same exact guitar I do. Is it from Juarez?
It's Yama.
Yeah, man.
FS.
Okay. The design is exactly similar.
So, what you want first, poem or sing song?
Song, please sing.
Song.
We have heard enough poems.
Okay,
Sing.
okay. Hmm. Then here's a song that I just prepared today. तुझको बना लूं मैं अपना खुदा और सजदे तेरे कर सकूं मांगूं दुआ साथ होने की तेरे कांधे पे सर रख सकूं था धागा एक बांधू तुझको मन्नत बना लूं, कागज पे लिख दो इबादत बना लूं, छूटे कभी ना वो आदत बना लूं, आशिकत बना लूं तुझे। किस्मत बना लूं मेरी चाहत बना लूं, दिल से मैं मांगू इबादत बना लूं, छूटे कभी ना वो आदत बना लूं, आशिकत बना लूं तुझे। किस्मत बना लूं मेरी चाहत बना लूं, दिल से मैं मांगू इबादत बना लूं, छूटे कभी ना वो आदत बना लूं, आशिकत बना लूं तुझे। क्यों ये हद है, ये क्यों से हद है, इतने है क्यों फासले, मंजिल तेरी मेरी जब एक है तो क्यों है अलग रास्ते, इश्क की ऐसी कहावत बना, तुझसे मैं मांगू इबादत बना, छूटे कभी ना वो आदत बना, आशिकत बना ले तुझे। किस्मत बना लूं मेरी चाहत बना, तुझसे मैं मांगू इबादत बना, छूटे वो आदत बना, आशिकत बना ले तुझे। ये खाया समंदर तो मेरा गम, इश्क है यार मेरा गुनाह, तुझको सजा और अदालत बना, आशिकत बना लो तुझे।
That was
Thank
beautiful.
you.
Nice.
Thank you
Thank you,
so much.
Hitesh, for that lovely song.
Thank you, everyone.
That was really nice. You can play the guitar very well. Chandran, you can also play the guitar, right?
Yeah, why didn't you bring it along?
Thank you.
It's right there. But no, first of all, Hitesh, that was amazing. You should record and upload songs on YouTube. People will listen.
I was thinking the same.
But I know only 2, 3, 4, 5 chords by heart, and I have trouble switching. So I only learn specific songs.
I'm still learning also.
I really wanted to learn the guitar, but I just can't seem to.
I have a guitar.
You-
No one
you
will
can.
get it. I really wanted to like learn it from a professional. I mean, I tried from YouTube, didn't get anywhere, hurt my fingers. So I really want to, have a proper teacher. And everything.
I would like to learn the violin. That's not the guitar.
My
anymore.
mom knows the violin, so she can play it really well.
My big brother knows the violins.
Nice.
Hi, Neeraj. Good to see you.
Hello, sorry for the delay. I was outside. I'm here now. I heard the song partially. It was really beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you so
Yes, and once again, Neeraj is the lead bird, so Neeraj will do something for us. Every
Okay,
time you come late, brother, you got to pay for it.
Oh, okay. So I mean, do you want me to do something?
Yeah.
Please do something. Now, please do introduce yourself first.
This is what happens when you don't have a theme. Nobody knows what they're supposed to do.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So hi. I am Neeraj Chavandikar, and I am currently scattered all over the place because I just reached home. Okay, hi. So I am Neeraj. I write, I tell stories. I am also a theater artist. And currently I am working in a scientific publication industry, but I am willing to get into the editorial section completely in trade publication. So I have a poem that I had written a long time ago to recite here. Uh, it's kind of a poem when I was pretty young and I thought that I had figured out what love is, and I had figured out the most important questions of life. And now that I read this poem, I realize that I did not know shit back then. So this here it goes. That is the question. To give in or not, that is the question. To give in to the desires of the heart and burn for eternity as a consequence. To give in to love and accept defeat, or dwell in egotism and lose the battle. To heed the practical advice of the brain, or foolishly follow the emotional heart. To transform the true you and call it adjustment, or to change the one that you loved, or who he, she, or them were. To unite and form an unstable compound, or to be alone and stagnant forever. To give in to love or not to give in. Now, my friends, that is indeed, that is the question.
Nice, very nice.
To be,
Thank you, thank
to
you.
be or not
That
to
was
be.
great. You had a few things figured out.
Oh, thank you. Good to hear that.
Hi, Dr. Ahuja. How
Wonderful,
are you?
Neeraj. Thank you.
Thank you. And by the way, my views about this whole concept have changed because a lot of people around me, including those in this meeting, have made me look at this whole concept in a very different perspective. So yeah.
So we'll be looking forward to the next poem by Neeraj soon. Maybe in the next community meet.
Certainly.
But this is really amazing, Neeraj. And being a theater fan myself, I know where this comes from.
Thank you. Now I definitely understand that you really understood.
And the
what I wanted to say.
frustration of looking at people holding a skull and giving the to be or not to be soliloquy when it is not in the scene.
So, Anand sir. Anand sir is in the middle of a, I think you have just been in surgery or something. You're wearing your. We can't hear you. We can't hear you. Can you hear us, Anand sir? Oh, we can't hear you. Oh, okay.
No, but we can't hear you.
Yeah. So just check your sound because Anand sir had something nice to narrate here. So we are looking forward to that. So yeah, so maybe you can check your sound, or also you could quit and then come back again, and then I think that problem will be resolved.
Yeah.
Okay, then Raja, would you like to go next?
Yeah, I like to narrate what I wrote some time ago. Don't worry, it's just gives the 30 to 40 seconds only it takes. Maybe more than that.
We want more. Come on.
If you ask me, I'll do another one.
Okay.
No, just have to.
Please introduce yourself. This is your first community meet with us. Please introduce yourself so our audience can also get to know more about it.
My name is Raja. I'm a writer. My specialty is doing thought-provoking pieces to understand. So this is which I wrote some time ago, which I call Partners in Crime. Actually, I like to tell you that every one of us is in a club, the same club, because we do something. Let me put you this way. We think we don't get into good things because we are not. Oh, give me 2 minutes. Let me recite. I've always wondered, especially in the Indian system, why we elect the wrong person to the chair. There is range in politics is a garbage dump, and that no good self-respecting person would want to step in. Even if a good person stands for election, he has to face loss. Why is this scenario? The central reason for this scenario is that we are not perfect ourselves. Though we do not know or say it, we let the norm of these days, where wrongdoings are not taken for a ride. Now, in the utopia, you know, the coin as the perfect system. One has to face these kinds of rules, like everyone has to pay their taxes to the right paisa, or visit because no one can be doing any wrong. No, it doesn't doesn't possible for anyone. So actually, if we want good things to happen, we have to change ourselves, not other things around. Okay, that's all. Sorry, it was my first time reciting. I hope you will put in with me. That's all. Hello.
Yeah, thank you, Raja.
Yeah.
That was wonderful. Thank you.
That was a great message.
Thank you.
Yeah, quite thought-provoking.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, Dr. Ajay. Can you hear us? So we'll just give him some time to adjust his audio. Suman, would you like to go next?
Yes, you.
First, I want to show something.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Oh.
Look at that.
Thank you.
I got the
Okay.
copy. Yeah, I came back home and then this was delivered. So
For all those who don't know, that's Beyond the Grey Line by Niladri. It was just accepted for traditional publishing by Ukyoto. So he re-released it recently. So we had a launch party for that. You can also check it out on our YouTube channel. Good
yeah.
to know that.
And I ordered the copy and I'm going to read an excerpt from this book.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
What more can you want from Christmas, Niladri?
See, and Niladri has no gift for me and he's not even taking punishments. Anyway, I'll read
His punishment is the guilt that comes from all that.
That's the biggest punishment, guilt. You can't get rid of it. So great.
Very psychological, dude.
Okay, I'm going to read an excerpt from this book. Let me tell you which chapter it is from. It's from the story, The Man in the Cell. It's one of the short stories from this book. I think it is that. I don't want to be wrong. Because yes, it is that story. So I'll just be reading a paragraph that I really liked. So here it goes. The scramble humanity finds itself in every day to gain its sanity, to mask its shortcomings and live in the presence of fulfillment is so abhorrent, so repulsive. It's a disease, an infection that runs through the veins, slowly crumbling the body and hollowing the soul. So pathetic, so repugnant, and there was the image of it right there, sitting slumped in front of him. A sad, miserable image. Okay, that's all. I think I like this paragraph because I agree with it. I'm not a big fan of the word humanity because to me, we just pretend and it doesn't exist actually. In our native state, we don't associate with anything that has to do anything with the word humanity. But we love to pretend. So I really like this. And I'm sorry, my cuckoo clock went off like while I was reading. So yeah,
Niladri's face through the narration was priceless.
really, I couldn't see it. I can't narrate and
Right.
but I will look at the
Someone read
recording.
out your work. It's flattering. Thank you, Suman.
You're welcome. Oh, I didn't introduce myself. Nobody knows me.
Do it now. No problem.
Well, I'm a writer of a trilogy called Alkal Nun. I released it last year, this year in February. And it's available on Amazon. It is a pretty radical book. It has got a lot of, as you can see from the paragraph that I just read, but in the end it comes together, but all through it's a trilogy. So there are 3 books. So all through the book, there are like conversation between the main characters, which are radical, like I said, but it'll, make you think. It's thought-provoking. So, but it's a love story. So in case, and it's a sci-fi, fantasy, fiction, mythological, I don't know. There's just, it spans across so many genres. Chandrayan, I can see you. I can see you. He's like imitating me. Anyway, so that was my short introduction.
Thank you
Thank
once
you.
again, Suman.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Okay, Chandran, you have been doing a lot of imitating, brother. Go do something.
Okay, the theme for this meeting was anything. So I decided that anything includes nothing. So I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to
No.
tell you.
No, nothing doesn't not included in
That's
anything.
I'm
smart,
just
that's
going
very
to
smart.
recite, not recite, I'm just going to recount one Christmas related event from over a decade ago that I still remember. It's part of 4 memories that I have that I know can logically never be true, but they are so strong that I feel they are true. And I don't know how to explain it. I know they're dreams, they have to be dreams, but I feel they're memories. So this is one of them. So, I did, to preface this, as everyone here knows, I like to think of myself as a practical person. You know, the 3 major questions everyone asks: why am I on this earth? Who am I? Where am I going? I believe the answers are I'm on this earth because my parents had sex. I am whoever I choose to be, and I shall go wherever I shall choose to go. Why are you laughing? So in direct contrast to that are these 4 memories. One of them happened when I was 4 or 5 years old, and I used to believe in God then, and I used to believe in Santa Claus. And on the night of 24th of December, I used to try to stay up all night so that I could see Santa Claus coming in and laying down my presents. Stupid. So one of those nights, I remember I did not fall asleep. I'll swear to this, I did not fall asleep. But at around 2:30 at night, I hear this, those feet which have jingles on them, like Santa Claus does, walking toward my room. And then I hear them getting louder, and I see a red glow of, I'm guessing Santa Claus's garbs. I didn't peek out from under the rug I had on. So I see him come in, the white lining, the red, the white cap, not white cap, red cap. everything. I remember all this in vivid detail. And he was glowing. And he walked in, put the present on. There was a Christmas tree behind my bed. So he put the present there, and then he turned around and he walked away. And I did not dare peek out completely at all during that encounter. But after that, only after that, I fell asleep. Now, I know this can never be possible because Santa Claus isn't real. Sorry to all of those who believed it. So, but another memory, this connects to a second memory I have. This was from before I was born. See, before I was born, I used to be up in the sky above a layer. This is going to sound crazy, I know. Above a layer of clouds, and I used to watch my family. And I used to watch them as one particular instance. I remember they were wandering around Kaziranga National Park, which is in Assam, near Guwahati. So my mother, father, and my elder brother. I wasn't born then. And then after all of this, one day my mom went to a sweet shop and I just came down into her arms in the sweet shop. So no matter how much my mother tells me that I was born in a hospital surrounded by nurses, I swear to this day I was born in a sweet shop and I came down because this was before I'd even heard the term Kaziranga, before I knew what it was. So so I see the conflict. I know they can never be true, but I feel like they are true, and I'll swear by them.
Great, great.
I would really like Suman to say something.
I was just gonna say that my trilogy has that theme that everything is nothing but memories, and it doesn't matter whose memory it is. It came to you, so you know I believe you. I believe
you are a shrewd marketer.
I know, and it has nothing to do with truth because I don't believe in things being true or wrong or right and all that. So it's memory. You don't need to say it's true or not. It's your memory.
Yes, and it happened. Thank you, Suman.
Yeah.
The first point we both agree on.
I know, and probably the only.
Yes, so we can be hopeful for the future. That they will not agree on more points.
Yes.
That's the hope. Okay, so Joydeep sir, you want to do something?
Yes. Let me introduce.
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you hear me? No, you are able to hear me.
Yes, we can.
Yes.
Yes. See, I am a lot of profession I am into. I am into writing. I am into yoga teaching. I also run an NGO. And this is what I'm going to do is that I have wrote a poetry book, somewhere around 2019. It's basically about, the name of the book was Epic of Mistrust. It's basically about mistrust. So it's a complex thing. I was going to narrate a poem from there. And the name of the poem is A Broken Window. It was a dream from coming out from the zone of mistrust to trust. So this is the thematic concept of the poem. And just I'm just going to narrate it. The Broken Window. He brought this beautiful window from a shop close to his village. The window was made of woods that will last. It has images of nice lady dancing in groups. He wanted to see the night sky with his hand into her hand and count the stars of distant sky. The window will bring back the trust back after an anniversary of living and quarreling together. They will eat and drink and sleep beside the window. The window will bring back the dream to them of a new life. Sitting in the top of a bus, he was imagining how the window could bring back dream of love in their life as it did in his early days while he was studying in a school which had all broken windows. Yet only through this broken window, he can see the world in different way. Suddenly the bus pushed the brake too hard to avoid hitting a tractor, which made the window fall in the ground and break into pieces. Woods don't last and windows don't last. Images of nice lady dancing in groups don't last. But the memories of seeing the world from the broken window last.
Really nice.
That was very nice. Back to memories.
Thank you.
Really nice. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
for sharing.
Thank you.
it's lovely. I
It
think so.
was really, really nice. I was just about to say that, yeah, we were back to like talking about memories, like Chandran first talked about memories, then you, Joydeep, you talked about memories. So yeah, it was so good to listen to your poem.
Thank you. Thank you very
Very
much.
nice, actually. It had a feel to it, a feel, the rhythm. It was really amazing. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Also, Asavari, can we come to you?
Oh, okay. I thought I would be lost. But does anyone want to go before me?
No, please do go for everyone else. You shouldn't be last. Please introduce yourself
So,
first. This is your first.
okay, first I'll introduce myself. Yeah, sure. Okay, so hi, I'm Asavri, and I go by another name Ash as well, because some of my friends know by that name as well. And I'm a poet, writer, sort of writer, but mostly I'm a poet, and I perform as well, and I'm a content creator as well. I make memes also. Okay, so today I'm gonna actually I wasn't prepared for anything.
I think
Asavari, you're
his
on
voice got moved.
Yeah. Sorry, what?
No, okay.
Yeah. Sorry, it got muted by mistake. Okay. So today, as it's a no theme, I'm glad it's a no theme. So I'm gonna narrate a diary entry. Basically, it's a sort of diary entry that I wrote back in September. So here it goes. What am I even thinking? My hair is no more short. The pimple below my nose and lips always annoy me. I want to eat Nutella, but can only be bought when mama makes cake next time. But I want to eat it as such. My to-do list is never ending, yet instead of doing that, I end up doing something completely new. September rains were good, although unintentionally it happened. I want October rains now. I miss her. I miss him. I dream about myself dancing randomly on the cobble streets, jumping with the waves, a night in the book cafe. I should have eaten one more sub that day, but glad I made her get a bite of it. Why does London and Bombay sound so similar sometimes? Am I cut out for both? Only 88 or 89 days are left, and here I am still dreaming or what, contemplating. Oops, the video is 4 minutes now. Let's complete this photo shoot. Wait, no, wait. The clouds are so pretty, and past week I didn't see clouds. It's so beautiful. Its edges are so sharp, the outline with the white color pencil. I got it right now. Poetry never stops. Yeah, that's it. This was a random scribble on my page.
It was
Thank you.
beautiful.
Lovely, those images.
Really beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank
Very
you all.
Very
beautiful.
vivid.
Close to
Images
memory.
are good.
I think we should officially declare memory as the theme now.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. And before I pass on the mic to someone else, I wasn't able to appreciate like what all happened before me, who all performed, because I was like this, like my smile was like just pasted like this. I was like I was in such a awe when Hitesh performed. He played his song. I was like, wow. And Chandran talking about his memories. And I was actually believing. And when he was like just narrating it, I started visualizing it and it was happening in front of me. So yeah, and Neeraj, yours, peace, amazing. And Suman, first congratulations for your trilogy. Yeah, and I really want to see you dance. Actually, I know I'm excited to see that. I really want that.
Come on.
I've never
Please do.
danced. What is going on? I don't know anything. I got
Anyone
kidnapped.
can dance. Anyone can dance.
We can all dance actually. You know, Christmas, we'll put on the music. and
Somebody's
dance a bit.
dancing looks like, oh no, they're moving.
See, you can even imagine dancing right now. So you got to have to dance. Okay, it's in your blood. Okay.
Put on the music at the end and we'll all dance. Don't worry. We'll all
Yeah,
dance.
if everybody else is dancing, I'll dance.
Just going to do spot dancing. Okay.
We especially want someone to dance.
Oh, why?
Oh yeah, that
Why
kind of
me?
sign
Why
sounds like
me?
a very good idea.
आज की demand, audience की demand है कि सुमन नाचेगी.
I know.
You know, dancing looks really strange. I mean, I'm one of those people who can't understand why people. It looks like synchronized seizures to me. People having multiple synchronized seizures when they're, you know,
My husband says the same thing. He cannot understand dancing. He's like, why do people dance? So, and I'm the opposite. I'm opposite of him.
So
I'm like,
you
why
do
not?
dance.
I don't dance, but I can understand why people dance. I can understand why people dance. You know, it's a great release. It's kind of like exercise.
Yeah.
But he
It's
doesn't.
almost like you should try it yourself
Yeah,
and
just
film
do
it for the whole world to see.
+1.
Chandriyan, I would love to see you seize, you know, have those Caesars that you're talking about. Or dance.
I only know one dance, that Shin-chan dance from ages ago. That dance. You've never seen.
Don't worry, Chandran. Most of us here know only one dance.
Okay.
Not that one that you just did. I don't even know what that is. But
Yeah,
That's
now
a
he
shit.
has to show.
Shin-chan's dance. Small 5-year-old Shin-chan cartoon, manga, whatever. Doraemon and Shin-chan. Okay, I'm
whatever.
old.
Yeah, I've
We
heard of it.
belong to a different era.
Yes.
I've heard of
Very
Doraemon, but I
old
haven't
school.
seen it.
I have seen Doraemon, but
You haven't seen Shin-chan dance? Really? It's
I
like
love, I love Ben
Yes,
10.
exactly like that.
Yeah, you got a partner there.
Does that have a music?
Christmas
Is
miracle.
there a Shin-chan music?
yeah, it has a total title track. Not title track, है ना पूरा
Good. We'll
Shin-chan
put
का.
that on, and Asawari and
Very
Chandran will do that in sync.
yes, you can teach us, Chandra, because I have no idea about Shin-chan at all.
No, me neither.
I
Who doesn't have
First-
an idea about Shin-chan? Everybody except Asawari and Chandran raise their hands.
no, I don't have idea.
I
but
know Shin-chan.
just
I know
heard of-
I
Shin-chan.
don't know.
I guess everyone knows,
What
but
is
they're
it?
just hiding. I know that.
Yes.
No, I know it.
I know
I'm not
that there
hiding.
is something.
No, everybody.
I don't know it
I
also.
don't know anything beyond that.
Okay, whoever says they know will join Chandran and Asawari in doing whatever they were doing.
Okay,
Yeah.
I have
That
no
sounds
idea
like
what
peer
Shin-chan is.
pressure.
I have no
Yeah.
idea. I have no idea.
No
who
idea.
Shin-chan
Never
is.
heard of this name.
Not at all.
Never heard. Oh my god.
No, I've heard of the name, but I've not seen. You know, I was more into the Disney cartoons as a kid.
Disney had cartoons.
Yeah, I know Disney
Yes,
cartoons.
Chandran,
I
they were
know
known as
Disney
Mickey Mouse,
cartoons.
Donald Duck.
No, nothing else.
Oh, right. Yes, those are
Yeah.
Disney cartoons, right?
Yeah. So, okay, who's gonna do something until Chandra and then Asawari dances?
You do something.
Nilshri,
Yeah.
Me, Nilshri, yes.
Nilshri.
What should I do? I really have not decided anything.
Do
We are all on
anything.
the same boat, Nilshri, when I haven't decided what to do. That's why I'm procrastinating myself. So
If I get Hitesh's company, I may sing something.
Oh, Hitesh is in demand. I have just requested him for a
Yes.
song for me as well. So Nilshri, you go first. Mera baad mein karenge.
Any song that you have in mind that suits female voice?
Are you are uploading so many songs on Insta now? You know better.
I am
Something
I,
like
I know guitar, but I'm not professional. I'm just intermediate, you know. So I
Arey,
can't-
ऐसे ही
Just
बजा,
strum,
just
just
strum a
click or
little
strum.
random while Nilshri sings.
Okay. Let's try this one.
I'll sing one song from Drive. I don't know. I've been listening to it like on a loop right now. Jacqueline Fernandez and Sushant Singh have been picturized on it. ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जानी मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग मैं छोड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा ओ मखना वे मखना मैं छोड़ाई घर बार मेरा ओ मखना Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you.
That was so nice.
That was beautiful. Yes.
Your voice
yes.
is really
Beautiful.
nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, so nice. Yeah. Nilshri, so
Voice
nice.
quality is so good.
I wanted you to sing the whole song actually.
Sometimes.
People are so talented here. I feel ashamed.
I'm with you.
Chin dance. Chandan will teach you. He'll do it.
You haven't shown your talent yet. You should dance.
Yeah, even I don't know about it.
No, you
Okay,
should
Chitra.
dance.
Go now, Chitra.
Me? I haven't even practiced. I just thought of a song.
I don't even practice that song. I just
यार, मुझे थोड़ा पानी पीना था. Okay, let me just go with a simple, I mean, it's not even a poem, it's just like a thought or something. So let me just narrate that. Just like a thought, something. Okay. So it's called The Stars Weep. So it goes like this. What if there was no night as we knew it? The entire sky, one dark continuum, draped hastily with a cloak of holes, through which peep out eyes that once belonged to beings of the soil, who walked and breathed, who were so enamored by fake shine and the illusion of glamour that they were banished to live up there as burning balls of glitter, where everywhere there's more of what they so desperately sought while they were mortal. Resigned to an endless silent forever, they longingly look down at us, who longingly look back at them. They yearn for the fingers lacing ours, hands encircling our waists, for laughter, melodies, and conversations. Every time we look up at them and make a wish, they want to scream, "No, don't look at us." They try to hide, and yet, through that cloak of holes, poor stars are seen. Then sometimes, ashamed, they draw a cloudy screen. On days when they remember what was theirs and isn't anymore, what could have been and can never be so again, when the nostalgia of past echoes is too deafening to hear, the heavens crumple with their cries, the stars weep, and their copious tears descend a shining dew. Just a thought.
Beautiful. Wow.
Yeah,
Wow.
that
Wow.
was very expressive. Very expressive.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
It is beautiful.
Impressive.
No,
Descriptive.
And the way that's narrated. Oh my god.
The
Yes,
narration.
yes, same thing. I'm going to do this as well.
very good.
That's the way you think.
I think
Roman?
I
I was going to narrate something, but I'm not going to. It's not going to work out.
Come on.
It's beyond
Okay,
wow, Chitra.
Thank you so much.
Yes, it was
Chitra, I'm
amazing.
speechless right now. I don't know what to say. Really, I'm
Yes.
speechless.
Thank
I
you.
mean-
I had
Brilliant.
written this for an anthology long time ago, but I didn't know, whether I would be able to, narrate it properly or not.
And now you just did.
Actually, you
Yeah.
almost, did it perfectly.
Yes. See, the one thing I liked very well, that last time you talked about existential loneliness, and you sometimes bring those images which are very eternal, which is very, broad something into very personalization. I don't find, last time the poetries of yours, it was like all that we feel very distant, stars and skies and things, something which is very wide. Somewhere we feel very close. Somewhere we feel they have become human. So that is the beauty of your poetry. I mean, this is great. This is kind of classic. Thank you. It's beautiful.
Hello, Gitika. How are you?
Hi,
Please
Gitika.
unmute yourself.
Hi, I'm good. Sorry, I came in a little late, but I was
We are happy that you're here.
Chitra and earlier Savari. Beautiful, lovely.
You're welcome.
Okay, so who's going to go next? I think very few
Gitika
are
should go next.
left. Gitika and Nidhi are only left.
Go. So do we have to say only English or even Hindi?
No, anything,
Whatever you want. Just speak
whatever you
on.
want.
Do not leave.
Okay, I have something in Urdu. I'm already audible well.
Yes.
I'm wearing my ear. Okay. I have some in Hindi Urdu I can narrate. Yes, recite. rather. Yeah. Okay. The title is Kabhi Na Kabhi. It goes like that. याद आएंगे हम भी उन्हें कभी ना कभी, मुस्कुराने वो भी लगेंगे कभी ना कभी, कभी तो वो भी तन्हा होंगे हमें याद करेंगे, कभी तो वो भी तन्हा होंगे हमें याद करेंगे, आंख उनकी भी भर आएगी कभी ना कभी। मुश्किलें आई तंज सुने दर्द सहे, मुश्किलें आई तंज सुने दर्द सहे, लेकिन उनकी याद में मुस्कुराए भी कभी ना कभी। करवट बदल कर रात भर यही सोचते रहे, करवट बदल कर रात भर यही सोचते रहे, नींद हमको आ जाएगी कभी ना कभी। इस आस में जी रहे हैं और हैं जिंदा, इस आस में जी रहे हैं और है जिंदा, कसमें उन्हें भी याद आएंगी कभी ना कभी। आंखें खुली रास्ता देख रही हैं उनका, आंखें खुली रास्ता देख रही हैं उनका, जिंदगी यूं ही निकल जाएगी कभी ना कभी। वो आए महफिल में और खबर भी नहीं हुई, वो आए महफिल में और खबर भी नहीं हुई, पहले की तरह काश बनते कभी ना कभी। So he's changed his style.
क्या बात।
That's the thing. मोहब्बत तमाशा ना बन जाए, मोहब्बत तमाशा ना बने, इस डर में जी रहे हैं और दर्द को भी सहारा है कभी ना कभी। प्यार है हमसे ये कहते हैं सर उठाकर, प्यार है हमसे ये कहते हैं सर उठाकर, अजी आंख तो मिलाकर कहिए कभी ना कभी। That's it.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
That was lovely.
That was wonderful.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Thank you so much. I was telling Niladri, sometimes I write, so it was very nice to know Niladri writes in Urdu, Hindi as well.
Oh, that is something I did not know.
I didn't know either, but I don't know anyone that much.
Niladri, you're on mute.
That's nothing to be proud of, Suman.
You know everyone?
More than you, I'd bet.
Oh, okay. Of course.
You know, I do write Hindi, but my Hindi poems are written on the standard side. So I don't know whether it's the right occasion to narrate one of those. So I'm not going for that. My my Hindi poems are sad. I can't help it.
Oh, but it's cool. I think I for one would really like to listen to your Hindi poems.
Okay, chalo. I need to find something. Okay, I'll narrate something in Hindi. Okay. Shall I?
Irshad.
लोग कहते हैं कि बहुत सहमा सा रहता हूँ मैं, किसी और ही दुनिया में खोया सा रहता हूँ मैं, सुनता हूँ सबकी बातें पर कुछ कहता नहीं, इल्जाम तो ये भी लगे हैं मुझ पे कि बेवजह ही बिखरा सा रहता हूँ मैं। काश कोई देख पाता मेरे दिल के अंदर, तो जान जाता कितना गहरा है मेरे दर्द का समंदर। दूर किनारे पे बैठ के क्या समझोगे, क्यों नशे में डूबा सा रहता हूँ मैं। लोग कहते हैं कि बहुत सहमा सा रहता हूँ मैं। सन्नाटे गूंजते हैं हर वक्त कानों में, मिलते नहीं लफ्ज उधार खामोशी के दुकानों में। अकेलेपन की ऐसी हद है, दोस्तों के दरमियां भी तन्हा सा रहता हूँ मैं। लोग कहते हैं कि बहुत सहमा सा रहता हूँ मैं। किसी दिन और दिखेंगे नहीं मेरे निशान कहीं, खो जाएगी दुनिया की भीड़ में मेरी ये दास्तां कहीं। क्या नम होगी किसी की भी आंखें मेरी कमी से, इन्हीं ख्यालों में बस उलझा सा रहता हूँ मैं। लोग कहते हैं कि बहुत सहमा सा रहता हूँ मैं, किसी और ही दुनिया में खोया सा रहता हूँ मैं।
बहुत खूब.
There is
Very
something
profound,
about
very
your
profound.
poems first in English, now in Hindi. I relate to them on a level I cannot express.
Thank you.
I really loved the line about wiping someone's tears with your.
Yeah. I was about to say the same.
Really, it hurt in a very beautiful way.
Well put, yeah. Amazing.
Yeah, my poems are sort of, Hindi poems are the sadder side always.
Dark. They are dark actually, very mystic. No?
Somehow I feel the pain can be more beautifully expressed only in Hindi. So whenever I am sad or I have to write something sad, I choose Hindi.
Yeah, I mean Urdu, I love the language, I honestly feel Urdu is the most beautiful language. Just it's music every time you listen to something Urdu. And
Yeah, it's
okay, Nidhi, where is Nidhi?
Yes, I am right here. Hi
Maybe.
guys, my name is Nidhi Paraikar. I am an author, I am a poet, and I have been bothering Chitra and Niladri for almost a year now. I am their problem.
And me also.
And Hitesh, of course. Anyway, so staying with the theme of memory, I have written one down, but I hope you guys like it. So a few years ago, my brother had to attend a 2-day conference that was arranged at a hill station nearly like 100 kilometers away from our hometown. Desperately in need of a break from our cutthroat academic environment, me and a friend decided to tag along with him. My brother was to stay at the same hotel where the conference was, and the two of us picked a hotel that was 2 minutes away from the marketplace. This was a week before Christmas, and the entire town was lit up. We spent our time traveling, exploring the food, and spending our money on trinkets in the market. The night before we were to head back home, my friend and I decided to have an early dinner and walk around in the market one more time, just to admire the lights and to inhale as much warmth as the chilly festive night could offer us. After walking around for a while, we found ourselves standing in the front of a red brick wooden bakery. Suddenly, in the mood for dessert, we entered the 170-year-old Elsie's bakery. Now, there are two things you need to know about me. One, I am allergic to chocolate. So my best friend goes and orders a chocolate chip muffin from the bakery. And I had to settle for a mini apple pie. We sat on the tiny bench in the veranda of the bakery. and I bit into the apple pie. In a matter of few moments, my eyes were filled with tears and I was bawling like a little baby. The second thing you need to know about me is that I belong to a Maharashtrian family. But my aunt, my uncle's wife, is a Goan Catholic lady. So all throughout my childhood, one of my fondest memories was waiting for that small box of Christmas treats that she used to send with my uncle, the ones that are made of cashew. My eldest cousin used to help her make those, and then he moved away to New Zealand. So because of that, the treats stopped. Now, all these years later, I was experiencing the exact same taste, and I almost had a ratatouille moment where now you can imagine the scene. The market is packed with people, and I am sitting there embarrassing myself and my friend, crying, red with tears. Now the owner of Elsie's bakery walks outside. She is freaking out. She's like, what is wrong? Is the cinnamon too much? I'm like, no, the cinnamon isn't too much. The emotions are too much for me to deal with. So yeah, that's all.
That was really nice story.
Really lovely,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
Yeah.
Loved it, Nidhi.
Thank you.
Food
I
brings
just
lots of memories. It reminds us of many people that we come across in life.
I just remember the moment of when I was watching a movie Red 12 and everyone watch animation.
It was actually exactly like the same. I was the 5-year-old waiting eagerly for my uncle ki kaka kadi yenar.
He was eating the ratatouille dish by the made by the mouse, and he remembered his childhood, like his mom made the same ratatouille dish. Oh my god!
Okay,
I'm
so
in
let's have some
awe
fun.
of the
Someone please sing a
simplicity of
song.
the writing.
Thank you.
It was quite well.
Okay.
Because a lot of times what happens, at least with me, is that even if I decide to write something simple, it's kind of difficult to write simple. It's relatively easy to write complex purple prose, but to tell stories in simplistic language is honestly very difficult. I really love that.
Thank you.
So you can say simple is complex and complex is simple.
Yeah, it's a little
Agreed.
paradoxical, but it's true. Okay, we are getting a bit serious. It's Christmas. Somebody sing a song. And then we'll go and play some games.
Hitesh,
Chitra will sing a song.
I just texted Hitesh, yaar, ye gana tujhe aata hai? He's like, I don't know. I'm like, I also don't know, but I like listening to it. So
I
let's
also
give
don't know.
it a try.
Let's go with the flow.
Okay, let's give it a try anyway. Pata nahi.
So here's your
Still
chord.
there to lose anyway. Anyway,
Team,
my throat's not okay. I don't know whether I can sing it properly or not.
Please do. Because after that, I'm going to scar everybody by singing.
Okay, Chitra. Here you go.
मैं पहले शुरू करती हूँ तुम पकड़ लो उसमें।
Okay.
ना है ये आना ना खोना ही है तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है तुमसे ही शांति है तुमसे ही हर घड़ी साथी है तुमसे
ज्यादा कभी आधे से ज्यादा कभी ये चाहे कर लो इस तरह उड़ने न छूटे कभी उड़ने न टूटे कभी जो धागा तुमसे जुड़ गया वफा का मैं तेरा सरमाया हूँ भी मैं पाया हूँ तुमसे ही रास्ते मिल जाते हैं मंजिलें मिल जाती हैं तुमसे ही क्या है ये आना ना तेरा नाम होना
Nice, nice.
Okay, now I desperately want to fall in love.
I want to share a memory here. Jab We Met was the first movie that I saw when I shifted to Pune for engineering. And I have so many memories with this movie. Even if today it's there on the TV, I'll sit and watch like crazy.
That was amazing duo.
Okay,
Chitra and
guys, here's one song that I had written. So let's do
Yes,
this.
go ahead.
कहानी है कुछ बातें अब तुमसे कैसे कहूँ सोचूं ये कब से जो कहना है कहना ही है संग तेरे अब तो रहना ही है मेरी हर कोशिश अब तो है मेरी हर ख्वाहिश अब तो है मेरी हर कोशिश अब तो है मेरी हर ख्वाहिश अब तो है तू जो हर पल यूं मुस्काए दुनिया मेरी कितनी हंसी है जो कहना है कहना संग तेरे अब तो रहना मांगू मैं दुआएं अब ये हर दिन हर पल हो मांगू मैं दुआएं अब ये हर दिन हर पल हो खोने से मैं तुझको डरने लगा ख्वाब भी अब तो बस तू है जो कहना है शायद संग तेरे मुझको रहना हाँ जो कहना है कह तो दिया संग तेरे अब तो रहना पहला है कह तो दिया है। Thank you.
Yay.
That was amazing
That was
composition.
lovely.
Amazing.
What lyrics and what voice, and you playing while singing is like super.
Thank you so
Your
much.
song made me feel less anxious, and that happens very less.
I wrote
really
it
rare.
long ago. I wrote it long ago and just composed it, and never had a chance to perform it on YouTube or any other platform. So I just did it.
Just very lovely, very lovely. You should really put this one out there.
Thank you so much. I will.
Okay, I believe that Geetika wants to sing a song as well.
Yes, I can go. You will play, Hitesh?
Which song? It's
It's a very popular one, old song, Mera Naam Chin Chin Chu.
Oh, nice.
Everyone can join in.
Yes.
I just want to say something that I had an aunt, Bua. She was very close to me. I mean, she thought that I was her son. She treated me like that. She passed away in 2006. Mera Naam Chin Chin Chu was a favorite song. So,
Favorite? Okay, so this is dedicated to her. Yeah.
We'll all
Okay.
join. We'll all join. Don't worry.
So, on this scale, you start. You know how to on this one.
I don't know the chords. Sorry.
Okay, just whatever you can. It's okay because guitar में मजा है उसके साथ. We can all clap maybe or maybe snap whatever.
Okay,
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start. मेरा नाम चिन चिन चू बाबा चिन चू रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हाउ डू यू डू मेरा नाम चिन चू बाबा चिन चू रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हाउ डू यू डू बाबा बाबूजी मैं चीन से आई चीनी जैसा दिल लाई सिंगापुर का जो बन मेरा शंघाई की अंगड़ाई ओ बाबूजी चीन से आई चीनी जैसा दिल लाई सिंगापुर का जो बन मेरा शंघाई की अंगड़ाई दिल पर रख ले हाथ जरा हो जाए ना पागल तू दिल पे रख ले हाथ जरा हो जाए ना पागल तू नाम चिन चिन चू बाबा चिन चू रात चांदनी में और तू हेलो मिस्टर हाउ डू यू डू
Hey, we had fun. Yay. Thank you, Geetika. That was awesome.
It was so beautiful, and that's that the energy was so infectious.
Yeah, thank you. This is
+1.
my college favorite. I had performed in college. So suddenly got reminded of after seeing Hitesh play, Yeah. Thank you, Hitesh. You motivated.
Hey, I'm going to ask you some questions though. It's Christmas and we need to.
yeah, before that,
Okay.
because everyone is singing, I will also sing. And I will
Yes,
scar you all
please.
for life.
प्लीज हो जाए
Yes,
सबको
go.
टॉर्चर करो ही हमको जो करते हो वो सबको भी हो ही जाए
Yes, Chitra gets scarred almost every other day. But I want to scar the rest of you as well. But here's the thing, okay? I don't know if anybody knows this song. It's by a very less known band. And I had almost forgotten that song. I really used to love it at one point of time. And Suman's got her cat also.
Oh,
But I just remembered it and I thought, चलो यार, ठीक है? Where's Hitesh? यार मैं जब गाने जाता वो भाग गया.
मैं बोल रही
ऑलरेडी
हूँ,
डर गया तुम्हारी आवाज से वो।
मेरे में भी
हाँ।
भाग गया था।
रुको रुको रुको, हितेश जब तक थोड़ा रेडी हो के आ जाए, हम थोड़े क्रिसमस क्विज कर लेते हैं। ज्यादा क्वेश्चंस नहीं है, बट थोड़े थोड़े टफ है।
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. Chat box में type करो or raise your hands. Who wrote this? What if Christmas, he thought, doesn't come from a store? What if Christmas perhaps means a little bit more? Go on.
Okay, I've got options.
Yeah, we have got options.
Enid Blyton, Neil Gaiman.
So,
Don't type it in the chat box. Say it out. Because this on YouTube and chat box is not visible there. So please say it out.
okay, so Nidhi, Suman, and Asawari are right. It's Dr. Seuss.
I was going to go with Enid Blyton. Okay.
Come on.
Bye.
Okay, next.
I like Enid Blyton.
In Tom Fletcher's The Christmasaurus, what does the Christmasaurus want to be? I have no idea what the answer is. Hey, wait, let me think.
An elf.
Yes, yes, yes. Right?
No, not an elf.
Yeah, it was an elf, I think so. I forgot the answer to this. इसका answer मिलेगा. रुको. Yes. No. Wait. No, it's not an elf. But
Damn it. I
I
was
like the confidence.
no. I was really guessing. It was an arrow in the dark with a conviction that I know this. Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
that's why I
the
said I
first
like your
answer,
confidence.
correct or not?
who knows this one?
Chitra,
Say it
we
aloud,
have-
say it
we
aloud.
have two answers in the chat box.
Chat box.
So Suman says dragon. Jadip sir says dragon. It's actually reindeer. Asawari is right.
Somebody did say reindeer, right?
Yeah, Asawari is right. Just say it aloud, guys. Okay, two questions here. First, who tries to stop Christmas from coming by stealing all things related to Christmas from
The
the
Grinch.
The
The Grinch.
Okay. What is the name of the last ghost that visits Scrooge in A Christmas Carol?
Niladri.
Chandrayan, we are talking about the Scrooge and not our nightmares.
यार अजब बेइज्जती है यार.
Why are you black and white? What? I didn't notice you were black and white before.
Who's black and white?
Niladri. His entire picture is black and white. Must be a filter or something.
I have no idea what he's saying. If somebody is understanding this, please let
No,
me
your
know.
screen looks black and white. That's the, I mean, your entire
Yeah.
thing looks black and white.
I'm a horror writer. This is the aura of being a horror writer, you know.
On Christmas.
Oh, please fix your screen saturation, the camera saturation.
Okay, so what is the name of the last ghost that visits Scrooge in A Christmas Carol? So it's like
Nobody knows. Nobody knows.
even I don't know. I guess. No, it was,
remember
I think
the
the
three
ghost,
ghosts. I just don't
of-
remember
of the
which one.
tomorrow. I mean, I think it
The
was
future?
the ghost of the next one. I mean, the ghost of yet to come or something. I'd read it somewhere. Check it up. Quiz master को ही नहीं पता. What popular Christmas song was actually written for Thanksgiving?
Wait, I
Don't
know
tell me
this.
Jingle Bells. Don't tell me Jingle Bells.
It's a very popular song. That theory I've forgotten. I know this. I read this recently.
And it is actually Jingle Bells.
It is.
Okay, it's Jingle
It is.
Bells.
Yes.
Interesting.
This was written for Thanksgiving. Okay, what are Christmas trees also called?
Xmas trees?
No,
Is it pine trees?
Pine trees.
no, they're called Yule trees.
Oh.
Oh,
What was the first company that used Santa Claus in advertising? Hmm.
what is Coke?
Yes, it's Coca-Cola.
Oh my God, seriously?
He stole the answer from
No,
Suman.
no, Suman is saying Coke. I'm not saying.
Oh,
Suman
okay.
said-
Suman said Coke.
I just read out the
Suman.
answer.
Yes, Suman. I think, okay, I am done. Anyone else has any questions, quizzes to ask, or Christmas trivia they can share?
We will play one more game.
So,
Hold on.
Suman, do you know any background behind Coke using? I mean, it being Coke. I'd really love
It
to
was
know
for
that.
marketing purpose. It was for marketing purposes. And they won.
And
Everybody
also
is
the
buying
color of Coke's
Santas.
label and everything sort of matches with Santa Claus's overall color, right? Red.
Yeah.
Oh,
Santa here.
Yeah.
interesting.
I have a wish, once in my life, I really want to dress up as Santa Claus for my kids, as and when they come.
Oh, I have done that for others' kids. Does that count?
Yeah, it counts. But I'm not so magnanimous. I'll do it for my own kids.
They won't believe you're Santa Claus. Santa Claus needs to be a little more, how would I say?
Fat.
By the time I have kids, I'll be
Yeah,
plump.
try saying chubby without telling me that I am chubby.
Yeah. But you're the perfect Santa Claus. You're Golu Molu types,
I'll wear a costume. I can always fit in something inside the costume to be,
नहीं होगा. नहीं होगा.
You can put pillows लगा लो, pillow.
What the heck
Yeah.
was that face?
इसका क्या करोगे, है ना, नीलाद्री?
beard, a full white
Play-Doh?
beard. Much.
हाँ.
Come on, Ed, I'm not actually Santa Claus. I'm just pretending to be one.
We are just imagining you.
This way it works. My kids will be this small, they'll not even understand. And if they don't think I'm Santa Claus, I'll beat them up.
That is some good.
That escalated quickly.
That is some good parenting.
Okay, we'll play
I
one more
am
game.
really happy that Niladri said that.
Hey, look, Suman's kitty is so lovely.
Every time I say I want to sing a song, Suman's kitty comes in.
She also wants to listen.
Okay. Hitesh is still not there.
भाग गया. Everybody's requesting him to play.
This is.
तुम ना ऐसे ही शुरू हो जाओ.
हाँ.
Chitra might have texted Hitesh कि भाई तुम वापस आओ ही मत कि ये शुरू ना करे.
यार ये इसकी इस बेइज्जती के बाद मैं नहीं गाने वाला हूँ. I'm not doing it.
We are going. Niladri,
No, I will.
Niladri,
I will.
Niladri. Please go.
इसमें कोई शर्म नहीं.
नहीं, I see. Here's the thing: people who live around me, every time I go to have a shower, they're scared. Okay. So, okay, sing.
इतनी भूमिका मत बांधो, अब तक डालो. क्या करना है?
Okay, sing. Say you will be mine. I just keep missing you tonight. I feel so unsure. I feel so alone. I just don't dare to open my eyes. In too deep, girl, I'm in too deep. Just can't get you out of my mind. Baby, no matter, just how hard I try, I don't wanna be alone tonight. Won't you be my guiding light? Lead the way to be by your side. Won't you be my star tonight? I need more than a neon light. Say you will be mine. I just keep missing you tonight. I feel so unsure. I feel so alone. I just don't dare to open my eyes. I feel so unsure. I feel so alone. I just don't dare to open my eyes. Won't you be my guiding light? Lead the way to be by your side. Won't you be my star tonight? I need more than a neon light. Say Say you will be mine. I just keep missing you tonight. I feel so unsure. I feel so alone. I just don't dare to open my eyes. I feel so unsure. I feel so alone. I just don't dare to open my eyes.
That wasn't as horrific. That wasn't horrific at all.
Yeah, you seriously downplayed it. Was it like a strategy or something?
No, I think ask Chitra. I think bad. I think this was bad.
This wasn't
like this
at all.
That sounded good.
Who has heard this song?
I have just now.
Yeah, this was the first time listening. I was actually searching on Google which song is it really like. Wow.
It's a song by a band called Tokyo Square. If I'm not wrong, it's a Vietnamese band who sings in English and stuff. They have a few good songs. You'll find it on YouTube. Beautiful. Okay. So before we wrap up, we can play one more game, right, Chitra?
Yeah.
Who wants to? We can play one more game, right? Before we
Yeah.
wrap up.
Yes.
What do you want to play?
But you just should have waited.
Hitesh,
Now you have come. Now you have come.
Sorry
तो एक
about
दिन
this.
पिटने वाला
तो मेल मुझे बेटा रुक जा.
No, I'm here with my guitar. You can sing again now.
Good.
Oh yeah, one more
Okay,
song.
नीलाद्री, another one.
और एक हो जाए.
और एक.
अपनी मैजिकल सी आवाज में
Oh, come on. No. Why is it that I am getting? Why should I sing another song? Geetika kind of she sang so well.
Sing Behind Blue Eyes by Limp Bizkit.
I know only the first two lines. Don't tell me.
Chandran, please sing something.
Sing that. You sing that.
Please.
Chandran sings and puts it on Instagram.
हाँ, Instagram में डाल रही यहाँ पे क्या problem?
If I sing what I sing, people will throw their headsets away and run.
No, it's okay. You
Nobody
just
will.
sing, bring your guitar. I
Most
want
of
to
us are on
hear it.
speaker. Nobody's on the headset.
I scream, I don't sing.
Yeah, please scream.
That's a scream.
No problem.
Screaming is good. Please do that.
Please
You want to bring
And-
your guitar? Please do bring your guitar and sing.
bring out the beauty.
हो जाए.
Okay, I can actually, I remember one song I can play. Wait.
Awesome.
Sorry about this, Nilati.
सुमन की
Really.
बिल्ली अब नहीं आई चंद्रन का गाना सुनने.
Okay, I think I tuned the guitar to the third, keyboard to the third fret. And it starts like this, I think. Okay, I don't even remember the name of the song. What's going on? I don't remember the lyrics.
Okay, untitled song.
There's no one in town I know. You gave me some place to go. I never said thank you for that. I thought I might get one more chance. So what would you think of me now? So lucky, so strong, so proud. I never said thank you for that. I'll never have a chance. Messed that up. May angels lead you in. I'm playing after so long. Hear you, me, my friends, on sleepless roads, the sleepless go. May angels lead you in. Okay, I don't remember the rest.
It was nice.
Really nice, man. Really nice.
It
I
was
think-
really nice.
Show me the guitar. Show me the guitar.
And I
I-
have
so
two
well.
big, all one for Chandran and one for Suman.
Suman, that was so adorable.
cute. Chandran, you can watch that on YouTube.
What did she do?
My husband got tea for me, so he really loves me.
I think the guitar is tuned for another song because it sounds different. I usually tune it for specific songs, but then I get busy in writing and then I forget the songs and the guitar and everything else.
Okay.
But if you would like to hear some high quality screaming that I am proud of, specifically covers of Slipknot songs, vocal covers of Slipknot songs, you can hear them on Instagram. I think I did Vermilion recently, yes. It's so cathartic.
Okay.
Okay. I'm good.
Yeah, Chitra?
Yeah. So, I mean, after this song, I really don't want to do anything else. I'm in a different mood. I'm a lot Christmassy and everything. So let's just wrap up, guys. I mean, this has been a great evening with great performances from all of you. We've heard narrations, poems, people singing. So thank you all for joining in today and making this evening really special. And Merry Christmas to all of you. So all of you who are watching this, please do subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment. Oh, here's Suman's cat. She's saying, hello, Kitty. She's also saying you to subscribe. How can I ignore that cuteness? So, so from all of us to you, Merry Christmas. Have a great time. And we'll see you in the new year again with a fresh episode. So, bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
See you all next year.
Merry Christmas.